Yeah, absolutely. We didn't know what to expect coming into the event. We found that it was more refined. You get a lot more dedicated, focused time with individuals. Certainly appreciate the pre-screening component and vetting process. And I think overall, a lot more deeper, thoughtful conversations in a more compressed timeline, so it means you get down to business. And certainly with time being a finite resource, I think we can certainly appreciate being efficient with our time. The caliber, you're talking about Fortune 500 companies, that have global footprints at the end of the day, and so each one with a very diverse ask and project that they're working on. So at the end of the day, just trying to get in there and help solve a problem. It's a great question. We do have, we do significant investments at packaging shows across the country, and that in itself is a great draw because you have a booth format and they're coming to you. In this case, they're also coming to you, but the conversations are different. And so if you were to try to replicate and simulate that, you're looking at, we had 12 meetings, you're probably looking at least 6 months worth of work. 2 to 3 days of travel to and from each location, and I can't quantify the resources, but it would be a considerable spend to do that. It's a little bit intimidating, I would say, for any newcomer coming in, but I would say that the Marcus Evans team has been phenomenal at the overall support, the coaching moments, prepping and just making sure that we're enabled for success. So I think that for anyone who's maybe nervous about coming to one of these events, the team has you very well covered, and they have demonstrated their experience and their know-how in this space. We are a Nordic-based company based out of Sweden. We have 16 manufacturing sites located across the world, predominantly in the Nordics, but then also with our recent acquisition of Mallpack, have a footprint in North America, just outside of Toronto. We specialize in flexible plastics, so predominantly load security films, but then also in consumer packaging as well as agricultural films.